Hello everybody and welcome back to the 2005 Cayley paper. We're on question number 6. Last week, a charity fundraiser had 8 volunteers who each worked 40 hours and who each raised $18 per hour. This week, 12 volunteers, each working 32 hours, raised the same total amount of money. How much did each volunteer raise per hour this week? Okay. So, we need to figure out the total amount of money that was raised last week, and then we're going to divide that up amongst the 12 volunteers and divide that sub amount amongst their 32 hours worked. And that should give you the per volunteer per hour rate that they earned, or I guess rate that they raised for charity. So, let's get ourselves the total earned last week. So that would be, it was 8 volunteers, 40 hours, $18 per hour. So 8 volunteers times 40 hours per volunteer times 18 hours, or $18 per hour. And so that's 320 times 18. I'm not familiar with what exactly that should be. So 320 times 18, we get $5,760 raised. Okay. So $5,760 raised. This week we've got 12 volunteers, each working 32 hours, but they raised the same total. So you might say something like, let X be what each volunteer raised per hour. And you could set up an equation. We know the total amount. And we know that there were 12 of these volunteers working 32 hours and raising X dollars per hour. So now we just need to simplify this equation. So 12 is 3 times 4. 4 times 32 is another power of 2. It's 128. So we're going to have 3 times 128, which will end in a 4. Carry the 2, so it'll be 384 times X. So now we just get X is the total amount of money raised divided by 384. So I'll grab my calculator because I don't want to do some long division. And I get $15 raised per hour per volunteer. And that's what they're asking for. So right in the middle there, C, $15. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 7. Join me then.